Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel, and today I want to share with you a dollhouse that I bought at a thrift shop a while back. On the way out of the thrift shop, I passed a shelf and I almost missed it, but the shelf had this house on it and it was $25. So I said, you know what, I want to have it. Look at the front. The video of the front, that's going to be another video. But I just want to show you what it looked like in the front. So anyway, back to the inside of the house. This is an open floor plan. See how you can see from one end to the other? Right now, you're in the living room here. And you can see all the way over to the kitchen. You can socialize with the people in the kitchen. And if you're in the kitchen, you can socialize with everyone in the living room. And look how spacious it looks. So what I did was, to make the open floor plan, I took, you see those two columns? I took 2 rolls of aluminum foil and I wrapped each one of them with a wallpaper that I had. See that beige and white little flowers? That's the wrapping paper that I had. Wrapping paper, wallpaper. It's pretty thick. It wasn't wrapping paper. It was like a wallpaper. So anyway, I happened to have 2 napkin rings that served me as the base. So I had 2 and 2. So it was perfect for this house. It's also the support for the second floor, so it doesn't cave in. I mean, I don't think it's going to cave in, but it's always good to, if there was a wall there, then, you know, I left the supports, but in columns. So that's the open floor plan idea. So anyway, so the kitchen is full of goodies. Look at the kitchen. Let me give you a little tour so that you can see everything. I like my plastic stove and sink over there. Let me give you a tour of the living room here. Handmade TV over there. And look at the window behind the sofa. I had a little cat there. You could put a plant or something like that. It's a nice bay window. Look at it in the front, on the side. So then up here, I have a study room. This one you probably saw in one of my videos because I had that. You see that box back there? I got it out of the Dollar Tree. But just by putting it in a vertical position like that, it makes a closet. Perfect closet. Then right next to it is a room. That lamp is handmade right there. It's just a piece of rubber in the middle with a button on top and a piece of wood on the bottom. And I love that bay window over there. And then a little bathroom up in the attic with handmade toilet, handmade dresser, sink. And right next to it is a little boy's room. Teenager, maybe. That's a handmade lamp. It's a drum with a magnet and another magnet. Well, I think this is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy.